How many pieces of iron sheet, each 1 mm thick, would be required to make a pile of 1 m high? A. 100,000. B. 10,000. C. 1,000. D. 100. E. 10. Solution. To solve, we state this unit of measurement that 1 mm equals 0.001 meter. Therefore, 1,000 mm equals 1 meter. Then, 1,000 pieces of 1 mm iron sheets would be required to make a pile of 1 meter high. The correct answer is C. What number multiplied by 3 is equal to 138? A. 414. B. 404. C. 141. D. 46. E. 43. Solution. Let C represent the unknown. Therefore, 3 times C equals 138. Divide both sides by 3. Then, 3C divided by 3 is equal to 138 divided by 3. 3C divided by 3 gives C. And 138 divided by 3 gives 46. Therefore, C equals 46. The correct answer is D. Find the least possible number that will be divided by 6, 8, and 9. A. 24. B. 36. C. 40. D. 60. E. 72. Solution. Firstly, factorize the three numbers. So, prime factors of 6 is equal to 2 times 3. Prime factors of 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Prime factors of 9 is equal to 3 times 3. In exponential form, 6 equals to 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1. 8 equals to 2 cubed. And 9 equals to 3 squared. Next, find the product of the factors that have the greatest power among these. Therefore, LCM of 6, 8, 9, equals to 2 cubed times 3 squared. Which is equal to 8 times 9 equals 72. The correct option is E.